Hey there, Jmart here. I got a fun video today, and I'm going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of two different product lines for permanent outdoor lights. The first one we're going to be talking about is Govee, and then the second one we'll be talking about is Lumary. And both of them are great products. They both have unique things that I love about them, and I think that they have specific things that stand out. And I'll be talking about those. And then also some of the hassles and the nuances that I went with installing them on stucco. And then the unsightly wires that come, unfortunately, with both of them. And I've always loved the track system ones, but those cost way more, the professional ones and stuff like that. The front setup, it's all Govee. I'm in that completely with all the parts, even the additional stuff that I bought to make it look better. Less than $500, which I think is phenomenal. And Lumary is also very competitive with their products. I did not buy theirs. They actually gave it to us to try out and use it for our Halloween and Christmas decorations and stuff like that. So thank you, Mary, for sharing that with us. But so let's go ahead and talk about Govee real quick. So Govee, one of the things that they got going on for them is integration with their other lines. They have tons of LED lights that they offer. They got indoor ones, light strips that you put behind your TV, just VICs, just regular RGBs. The list just goes on and on. But what I like about it is their interface. If you get the ones that are all Wi-Fi app enabled, most of the new ones that they have now talk greatly with one another. So if you're trying to sync it with music and patterns and stuff like that, it's perfect for that. And I got into holiday decorations on a whole nother level when it comes to outside automation and having fun with it. I liked doing light shows, and I really do like Govee for that functionality. Now let's switch over to Lumary real quick. I'm going to talk about them. So one of the things I really like about them, they seem like they're very similar quality. But the one thing that I like that Govee doesn't have a simple solution for is they give you a physical remote for their lights. And for my backyard, we got outdoor living. So we got a fire pit, we got an outdoor TV, and it's just a chill pad, right? And we call it the tree house. And I thought about actually installing some Govee lights, but sometimes you want the mood. Maybe you want a party like lights and colors changing. Sometimes you might just want regular warm white lights. So I never did install any lights because everything has to go through your phone or automation through smart apps and Alexa and stuff like that. But what they offer is a physical remote, which is perfect because we got a remote already for the fan. We got a remote for the TV. So they give you a physical remote for the lights. And I didn't realize how convenient that is. And we go out there and depending on the mood, maybe we just want some good lighting so that we can see what we're eating or whatever, right? And maybe you want to change the mood and be like, oh, I do want some color changing stuff that we have. And they do have some patterns and all that type of stuff. And you can control it right from the remote. And then when you're done, just power them off. Simple as a push of a button. So that's the part that I really enjoyed about having on my outdoor setup for Lumary and our outdoor living. All right, so both of them have this going on with them. They have extension looking wire that goes from each puck to puck, right? Unfortunately, when you're looking under your eaves and stuff like that, our patio has a white aluminum, so it hides a lot better. But our stuccos are more of a tan brown, and it just was so sightly when I first installed the Govee on our stucco. And I almost was like, I can't go do this. I was like, maybe we'll put it up for holidays, but I'm taking it back down because it was ugly. Let's just be honest. But then I had an idea. I was, wait a second, we just need some good covers and make it look like it's going to go in a tray or something like that. And originally I was like, oh, I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money buying aluminum trays and all that type of stuff. But I thought, hey, they sell the plastic vinyl wire covers that you buy usually for your in-home when you want to hide HDMI cables and things to go in your TV and game systems and stuff like that. I thought that might work. So I looked at the links that they come in, and guess what? This is so funny. They are almost the perfect length. They were off by like maybe a half an inch. which I thought was funny because I could literally buy the boxes and run with it, tuck them underneath the wire, so I would just slide it underneath very easy and pop the cover. But I did have to use my little miter saw and trim off a little piece so that they would fit in between light to light. And that's how I took care of that ugly wire problem. Something maybe Govee or Lumary or any of these permanent lights out there, think about it. You guys all have some awesome products, and it's very affordable compared to what's out there. But people don't want to see ugly wires. Maybe add a kit. Honestly, it's not that expensive just to buy some of those plastic coverings and stuff like that, and it looks great. I'm in the middle of just customizing it. I started that, so look at the video footage and stuff like that. You'll see some of the areas where it looks great. Then you'll see the ugly wires in other areas. Pay attention to that. But hey, if you guys want to get into this and you're trying to look at doing this in an affordable way, check out these products. I'm going to put links in my description for both of them, and then also I'm going to include a link for the covers that I use as well. So check that out. Hope you enjoy this type of content and have a good one.